Hey, what's up everybody? Ross Thomas here for the Brotographer.com. I've been giving this YouTube channel a lot of thought. In the past, I've done a lot of lens and other photo and video gear related reviews, little pieces like that, but I've been, like I said, giving this channel a little bit of thought, and I'm wanting to take it in not a completely different direction, but offer something a little bit different in addition to those photo and video gear reviews. My wife and I are fitness studio owners of a little over 200 member fitness studio here in Modesto, California called Core Fitness. And on a daily basis, photos and videos play such a major key and a major role in our social media, our marketing, our website, and all that good stuff. So I want to take you guys along for a ride, maybe a weekly video showing you kind of what we're doing and how photography and video play that major key in our business, and how you guys can possibly also use it for some entrepreneurial efforts that you may be doing. So one thing that's really been on my mind as of late is that the barrier for entry for taking good pictures and good video is at an all-time low. Photography and video gear is at an all-time low in price, and the quality is at an all-time high. So you're getting great value for money. You don't need to have the most brand new 4K camera. A camera that's 800 bucks is shooting fantastic video and photos these days. So in my opinion, if you're an entrepreneur, you really have no excuse but to learn to do it yourself. Another barrier for entry that's actually at an all-time low is education. Because of platforms like YouTube, Facebook, forums, and the internet in general, being able to learn these skills to do these things yourself and in turn save you a ton of money and develop a fantastic skill is at an all-time high as well. So whenever someone comes and talks to me about doing a job or shooting video, a lot of the time, most of the time in fact, depending on who they are, I ask them, you know, do you have a camera? Do you have a video camera, a photography camera? Does it shoot video? Are you willing to learn how to do it? Because in today's society, it's such a massive skill that you can learn that can help you out in the long run. Whether it's editing video, shooting photos for your Instagram, a little clothing brand, or for a gym like this, learning those skills is only going to help you in the long run. So I encourage you to do that and encourage everyone that you see to do that. There are still those commercial clients out there who definitely don't want to learn it, but for basic people like us who are entrepreneurs, grinding everything out on a daily basis, waking up at 3:30 in the morning, doing all our own marketing for social media and online and our website and all that good stuff, learning these skills is invaluable. So for me and us here at Core Fitness, I want to bring you guys along for the ride in all the new things that we're doing and show you kind of what I'm doing, how I'm learning from it, because I'm just like you. I'm learning as I'm going, I'm watching YouTube, I'm learning from friends, I'm doing all that stuff, and I figured you guys can learn from me just a little bit as well. So come along for the ride. I'm gonna show you some things that we're about to do. So just as a side note, this is literally my first time ever holding my camera with this Joby Gorilla Pod in this vlog style manner. So let me know if this works or if I'm a total amateur. Anyways, I want to bring you guys along for the ride in a lighting setup that I'm trying to do here at the studio. I think this has a lot of application for people. A company called Lupo contacted me several months ago and wanted to send me out some lights. So I wanted to take advantage of that and light the studio in a way that would allow me to shoot a ton of photos and videos, because as you can see, this room is extremely dark. So it may look well lit on video here, but really the only light that I have lighting right here is this Aperture 120D in this mini light dome. Sometimes use that to get more light into it. I also have a 120D on this end of the room. But basically in terms of in the eyes of a camera, this room is extremely dark, and we do shoot a lot of photos and videos in this room. Right now, I'm shooting at a pretty high ISO. I'm at f4, shooting in video. So in terms of the kind of the sensor's opinion, this is definitely a low light situation. So getting more light into this room has absolutely been a key for me. So what I want to do, what I think is kind of interesting and what I want to show you guys today, is I want to put 4 big, gigantic 2K Fresnel lenses in this room. One's going to be in this corner, one's going to be in this corner, one's going to be in that corner, and one's going to be in that corner. And I think it's going to allow me to spotlight different things, move the lighting around in a way that really floods this room with a ton of light and allows to shoot at lower ISOs and in turn get better quality out of the video. So I'm in our back room now. I kind of want to show you the gear that I'm going to use to light that front room. This is a Lupo Dayled 2000 light. It's a Fresnel light that puts out a 2000 watt equivalent amount of power, and I'm going to mount these to the ceiling up there in that front room. I'm going to mount 4 of those, and they are going to be controlled with this lighting console. It is still in the packaging. But yeah, thanks to Lupo for sending this out to me, kind of working with the project. They are not sponsoring this video, but basically they are allowing a creator like me to achieve a dream of having awesome lighting in my fitness studio, and I'm super pumped to be able to do that. So I will show you guys every step of the way as we start to put up stuff. We're going to be hanging them from the ceiling, running DMX control, which I'm really new at and kind of looking for some help with, to be perfectly honest, because that is not my forte. But we're going to be running DMX control to the lighting console board from all those lights daisy chained around the room. I also am considering adding some LEDs, the colored LEDs that shoot those little lasers to it. I think my members would be kind of excited to have some cool funky classes with low light, spotlights, maybe some fog eventually, but we'll get to that in another episode. Anyways, I don't know if this is interesting to you, but just wanted to shoot this video and kind of bring you into my daily life, my thought process that goes into the decisions that I make with regard to photography and video. Once again, photo and video touches all of our lives. This is just specifically how it touches mine and the lives of my members, whether it be here in this studio or in social media, on the internet, through our website, or all that good stuff. So if you like this, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that little notification bell if you're interested in seeing the progress here. I'm still going to be reviewing tons of products here on the YouTube channel, so don't worry about that. But this might be a little weekly show that I decide to do to bring you into my life. I'll be showing you my wife's thought process behind what she does, show you my little family. It's all good. Anyways, I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for subscribing. Peace.